This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has viewed a report on the results of the transition to M government with senior government officials. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed said that an accomplishment rate of 96.3% was reported by the government's 337 departments, providing services on a daily basis to customers at the end of the 2-year timeline set for shifting to M government and M services. The report shows that 41 government departments succeeded in achieving this shift within 730 days. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed stated that the next stage is to link all services together, improve the quality of smart applications, and achieve a high satisfaction rate for smart services. The target of raising the number of M service users to 80% by 2018 has also been set. He added that a star rating system for all M government services will be put in place in the coming stage to inform customers about the quality of any service before they start to use it. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed also said that today the delivery of services no longer relies on building and thousands of employees, but on advanced systems and innovative minds. In the near future, we will see even bigger and faster changes. Education, youth employment, women's empowerment and public-private partnerships are key to ensuring sustainable economic growth and stability in the Arab world. That's according to Dr. Sultan bin Ahmad Sultan Al Jaber, the UAE Minister of State, who led a high-level UAE delegation to the World Economic Forum. The forum that was held in Jordan between the 21st and the 23rd of May brought together 800 key MENA region leaders from government, business and civil society to support a comprehensive blueprint for prosperity and peace based on a framework for public-private cooperation. Dr. Al Jaber said that the UAE leadership has long recognised the critical importance of transitioning from a resource-based economy to one based on knowledge and innovation. A highly educated, skilled and motivated workforce has the capability to jumpstart economic growth and foster job creation and entrepreneurship. He stated that the UAE, in line with our leadership's vision, is committed to contributing to the region's economic growth and stability. Achieving this goal requires public and private partnerships, with a particular emphasis on the advancement of youth, education and women's empowerment. The Sharjah Charity Society has revealed that it offered humanitarian and charitable assistance worth 11.8 million dirhams in the first quarter of the year. Abdullah Sultan bin Kadem, the member of the SCS board, said that monthly financial assistance extended to poor families and the low income, which totaled 3.4 million dirhams in the first quarter, and rent instalments paid to more than 200 families in need stood at 1.7 million. 1.8 million dirhams was spent on surgeries for 150 patients suffering from heart, kidney, liver and cancer diseases. Other contributions, he said, included 700,000 dirhams paid as treatment costs to 130 patients. 500,000 was paid as tuition fees to 140 university students, while over 100 pupils were supported to the tune of 755,000 dirhams. The Roads and Transport Authority in Dubai is considering a smart rental initiative in an effort to reduce vehicle ownership, minimise carbon emissions, and also increase the ridership of public transportation networks. Quoted in a local report, the RTA Director General, His Excellency Mata Al Taya, stated that the initiative will see a person rent a car for a short period, not exceeding 6 hours, by using smart apps on mobile phones or online, and the vehicle will be collected from a public place without involving employees in the process. Once the mission is accomplished, the car has to be returned to a specific location nearby metro stations. He also added that the RTA is currently mulling over 3 different smart rental models. The first is a two-way rental model where a person will collect the car from a specific location near a public transport station, and the car has to be delivered back after use to the same location. The second model involves collecting a car from one location and then dropping it off at another. And then the third would involve multiple users sharing the same vehicle. International statistics reviewed by the RTA indicate that smart rental programs lead to 25 to 71% of respondents refraining from buying new cars and 15 to 20% disposing of their existing cars. The rental programs have also the added benefit of increasing the use of public transport systems by 13 to 54% through reducing the distances covered by cars and reducing carbon emissions. A questionnaire commissioned by the RTA showed that 66% of people welcome the smart rental idea, with 80% saying that they would use the cars if provided, and 50% believe that the model is highly relevant to shopping and visits during holidays. Arabian Automobiles, Renault Middle East and DEWA unveiled details about the future of electric vehicles at the first electric vehicle conference here in Dubai, featuring a lineup of speakers including top government officials and key industry leaders from the region and the wider world. Talking about DEWA's efforts in reducing the carbon footprint in the UAE and protecting the environment, the Managing Director and CEO of DEWA, His Excellency Saeed Mohammed Al Taya, said that the authority is committed in delivering the necessary infrastructure for setting up electric charging stations in the UAE, in addition to the development of a clean and sustainable environment. Stating that the region will witness the need for more charging stations, His Excellency Al Taya added that a total of 100 electric vehicle charging stations will be installed by the end of this year. Making the case that the world needs to go electric, the Business Development Director of Electric Vehicles, Renault in France, Thomas Orsini, said that global transport consumes 70% of global oil reserves, out of which carbon emissions account for 46%. And cars are responsible for those emissions. Talking about the green benefits of using electric vehicles, the CEO of Arabian Automobiles, Michael Ayat, said that using one electric vehicle is as good as planting 100 trees. And at this rate, by 2021, Dubai will have 10,000 electric vehicles without affecting the environment. The conference concluded with Arabian Automobiles and Renault Middle East felicitating DEWA for their order confirmation of 8 Renault Zoe electric vehicles.
Our plan is to support the Dubai Vision 2021. In the Dubai Vision 2021, it is very clear. The pillars are there. There are 6 pillars. One of the 6 pillars is the smart and sustainable city. If we plan from now till the 2021 to put on road 10,000 electric cars, this means equivalent to 1 million green trees. Just having a 1 million green trees in a city of Dubai, it will support His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid vision. And it is a size of double the size of downtown. Yes, the electric vehicle is the solution for the future.
The market is starting to be ready all over the world, and it's really now a good timing for the UAE and Dubai to actually show the way for electric car. As we have seen today, we have the cars. You know, they are here. It's not a concept. They are real cars. They can be tested. They can be used. They are ready to be sold. But what is important and what we have seen in all other countries is that you have to build the whole ecosystem. And it's very interesting to see that here we have the partners, we have the willingness to actually start to build this ecosystem. DEWA, as a partner of this conference, is obviously very much implicated into this. So it means that we will have infrastructure, we will have charging solutions, and we will have a big partner to help us to push electric vehicle. So it's not the only thing that needs to be done, infrastructure. You need also to have a government support. So it's important to have early adopters.
And Ajman is now 90% plastic bag free, according to reports, 5 years after the Ajman municipality issued a ban. According to a local daily, the Emirate made the ban in 2010 after reports emerged of animals like camels dying after consuming them, with violations resulting in 50,000 dirhams in fines. Yahya Al-Rayasa, the Director General of the municipality, said that an initiative called Day Without Plastic Bags, which has been organised for the last 4 years, has helped reduce a dependence. The Director General added that plastic bags pose risks to the environment as they take over 100 years to decompose. The municipality is now working towards making 2016 a year free of plastic bags in the Emirates, and outlets found using them are liable to be slapped with a huge fine. The fine is then doubled in the case of repeat violations. The municipality only allows the use of recyclable plastic bags, which must have stickers showing the name of the establishment and the period specified for recycling. And finally, looking to other news now, Mall of the Emirates is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and shoppers can join a whole host of celebratory activities throughout the year. This month, the mall is offering even more chances for guests to win huge sums of prize money as it chooses 10 lucky winners every week who will win 10,000 dirhams until May the 31st. A total of 40 winners will share 400,000 dirhams throughout the month when spending a minimum amount of 450 dirhams at any store within the mall. This incentive is in addition to giving back the money spent to shoppers every 10th of the month, where shoppers get the chance to win back 10% more than the value of their shopping spree.